What's going on, everyone? Hope y'all are having a wonderful day. Thanks for tuning in for another video. If you do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, we have a giveaway to 250 subscribers. Check the description for the details on that. The box on this is too big for me to display with my setup, so I'll include a picture or video inserted in here of what the box looks like. You can go, this guy has his description on his website. If you want to go look at it, great. If not, no big deal. I'm just going to include that in there because it came on the box. So let me open this up and we'll get started. Cool little presentation. Got this cool little alrighty, let's see what we got. Oh, cool. Quite a bit in here. Got a Pokemon 10 there. We got some sleeve booster packs. They've got this wrapped like a birthday gift. There's all the string and stuff, so that's why it's taking me so long to get everything put up here. Got a mini tin. Let's put that on top there. We've got this Mastoff EX box. Looks like it has some Paradox in it and Scarred and Violet base. I don't have enough room to keep that on screen, so I'm gonna put it aside. This thing, I assume it's got some hollows in it or something. Alrighty, it looks like everything that we have. Don't know that I'm gonna open up everything here, but we'll go ahead and run through. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, we might save that for last. That might be a premium pack. So we got some Darkness Ablaze. I went pretty big on this one, so I don't know value-wise what we got back, but $130. I was hoping to get some sealed stuff. Oh, it's starting as a blaze, and I don't know if it's good or bad code card. One of these days, I will learn. Or maybe I won't. Okay. Some Paradox Rift. Got the trick right that time. Come on. Ooh. A little hollow. All right. Rebel Clash. Not really sure what's in here. And I think that's a bad code card. I don't know much, but I think that's a bad code card. Yep, it was. No problem. So I'm probably going to rip these two. I don't know what's in these tins. I may keep them sealed, but I'm gonna open these two and see what the mystery pack is. And if it's something crazy, which I don't think it will be, I'm gonna keep it, and if not, I'll open it up. There we go. Making me work for it in this video. All that cardboard to get through, and then open the packs. Which I do know the sleeved booster packs typically go for a little more value. So when I have the breakdown on it, that'll be included. Okay, cool, little trainer card. Cool little sweatshirt. Come on. Oh. Keep forgetting what set I'm opening up to know what card trick, code card. A little hit there. All right, let's see what's in the mystery envelope here. Oh, I think this is Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion, and it is. Alrighty, well I have 2 of these, so you know what that means. We're gonna open this one up. I think that's a bad code card. Is it 3? I think it's 4, and then X and Y is 3. I have no idea what's in this set. Cool little reverse. And it was a bad code card. So, I don't know, I want to save one of these, but let's open this tin up, and if it has something crazy in it. I don't think it is. Looks like a Scarred and Ballot tin. I'll do it for the people. Sticker in your card. Paradox Rift. Obsidian Flames. Okay. I have these same mini tins. I couldn't tell. I think they're the Paldea Evolved mini tins. Alrighty. Bonus 2 packs. I'm going to keep this thing sealed. I did pay so much for this. Want to have something to open up for myself here in the future. We're also running on the longer end of my videos, and I'm running out of things to talk about here. Little hollow. Come on. Last pack magic. Come on. Alrighty. Well, if you want me to open this up on a future video, put a comment down below and I'll probably open it up on another video. It's got 3 packs in it. They go for about $15, I think. Stay tuned. Definitely have more mystery videos on the way. budget's not going to be as high as this one. Typically try to do about 50-60 bucks per that, and only can do 3 or 4 a month. It's part of my budget. And then I need to substitute in something weekly, because I was doing the weekly Silver Tempest videos, which don't get as many views, but I enjoy a weekly challenge type thing. So if you got any ideas for me, set wise, things to do for those challenge videos to have weekly, drop a comment below if you would. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you on the next one.